Tired of sending entire Looker Studio reports when you only need to share a single page? Today, I'm going to show you how to share only a specific page from your Looker Studio reports, so you can tailor your data sharing for maximum impact. First, open the Looker Studio report you want to share and make sure you are in edit mode by clicking the edit button at the top right. Now, navigate to the specific page you want to share. You can find your pages in the drop-down menu at the top. Next, click on File in the top menu, and then select Report Settings. In the Report Settings menu, under the General Options, make sure you check the box that says Disable Download, Print, and Copy Options. This is vital. Alright, now click the Share button in the upper right corner. Now, adjust the link settings. Make sure to switch it from restricted to either your organization or anyone with the link depending on who you want to share the single page with. Here's the secret sauce. Look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You will see page equals %number %copy. The entire URL. Now share that URL and only that specific page will be available when opened. And that's it. You've successfully shared a specific page from your Looker Studio report, streamlining your data communication and keeping your audience focused on what matters most. Happy analyzing.